Hi guys and welcome to another video of Butterbear Story. We are doing today is these little bath bombs.
That's right. We have a Mr. Bubble Magic Bath Crackles.
And we have...
And what it does is it add crackles for your bath. Hear them magically pop and snap. So this is a pop, snap, crack. So it's almost like Cheerios in your bathtub. And what do you got there, Snow Kitten?
That little hat scene. Busy bomb eggs.
That's right. These are fizzy eggs. So it's a Dino Fizz and with a surprise dino inside. So we have a Stegosaurus and it's in this orange cool bath bomb. And let's see, we have an Apatosaurus and a Tyrannosaurus. And we're going to stick it in this big old bowl here. So what, you want to start with this one first?
You gotta do it.
Oh, I gotta do this one? Okay. So let's open this one up.
I gotta do all the other ones.
You betcha. And so it's, oh, look at these cool little crystals there. They,
Both in hell.
all right, so they are blue and pink. You ready? Let's see. Let's be real quiet so we can hear it pop and crackle. It just keeps going.
I know, I'm gonna do all the other ones.
All right, let's open them up.
And I'm gonna do all the other ones.
I can't believe
It feels so well good.
Does it feel weird?
Yes.
You can feel the little bubbles going.
Yup. It feels so well good.
That is so funny. Okay, let me get this out of the package real quick.
And I'm gonna do all of the other
You
ones.
can do them all. Oh my god, this thing does not want to come out.
I know it.
That thing is still popping and crackling. Alright, so first we're going to do the Tyrannosaurus here in the green egg. I almost got it, Snow Kitten. This thing is hard to get out of here. Alright, there's that first layer. Alright, here we go. Green egg. Bless you. Stick it in there. Alright, just leave it in there.
It's so basic. It is making off the road so basic and floating.
It's all green, isn't it?
Yeah, then it's gonna be all that dollar now.
It is. Okay, we're going to let that one go.
Oh, I got it again. I just got about it, but I got it.
Has our dinosaur come out yet?
No.
Is it still going?
Yeah. There's all of that stuff. Hey, do it.
And those things are still popping and crackling. All right, here is the orange one. Do you want to go ahead and put the orange one in? Oh. Those are some cool colors.
Hey, you.
It looks like a sewer, a creepy sewer making a mutant. All right, and that one was the Stegosaurus. So we had Tyrannosaurus and Stegosaurus in there.
I can't even see them. I didn't know about them.
Do we have any creatures yet?
No. Wait, this one's kind of smaller. Oh, this one is smaller.
Oh, it's almost there, isn't it?
I need to down them.
I'll put it back in so it can finish. See, reach around, see if you can find our Tyrannosaurus.
It's still busy for me.
Is it? Oh, put it back in. It's almost done.
Whoa!
Oh, bring it over here. Let's see. All right, so we got one. Oh, put that one back in. So I'm saying. So this is our Stegosaurus that came out of the bath bomb. It's so cute. Here, you want to put this? This is the purple egg. It's going in. That one has the Apatosaurus. So here's our Stegosaurus. Super adorable. It is just a little tiny thing. See, very thin. It is orange with a green back. Little spikes there on the back. So adorable. Lay right there, critter.
Mommy,
You just hear it. Oh man, that thing is getting kind of gross looking. It's like a brown. There's so many different colors in there.
I do both of them.
We're just waiting now on our Apatosaurs and Tyrannosaurs. And if you're real quiet, you can still hear our bath crackles. I can't believe the bath crackles have lasted this long. Oh my gosh.
And what does? I do.
Oh, it's coming. Let's see, yep. You gotta show them on the camera, sweetie.
Okay.
Let's see, yep, it's almost there. Oh, this is getting some brown nastiness. Oh, put it back in there. It's almost there. Here, I'll scoot this to the side for you. There it is. What's the other one doing?
Busy bombing.
Yeah. It's so close.
Oh
That green one's taking a while.
my!
Do you like the color of the water? Let's see. Oh, it came out. There's one. All right, so we got our tiny T-Rex.
This one hasn't.
So here's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's a little green body. It's also super thin. It's got little purple dots down the back and little
Oh my! I bounded this.
body. So there we go. We got two. Let's see the third one. Here is the Apatosaurus. Long neck, long tail, purple body, green spots over there. So adorable. Thin body there. These are so cute and they are just squishy. I bet they'd stick to the wall in the bathtub. Soft, super squishy, bendable body. So here are our three critters, all broken out of their little vessels.
Vessels.
I like them, they're super cute. But I do have to say, I think my favorite is the Magic Bath Crackles. I like the sound and I can't believe, you can still hear it a little bit.
I know it does.
Yeah, but these are super cute too. Snow Kitten, what's your favorite part?
These ones.
All three. All right, leave a comment below to tell me what your favorite part was.
Mommy, this one is diving in.
Oh my goodness. Can they find their way out of this murky water?
Yep.
All right, and remember, like and subscribe. And let me know what your favorite bath bomb experience has been. See you guys later. Like and subscribe to catch more videos. Bye.
This is the stove phase.